Meaning of damselfly.
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 Damselfly. A damselfly is an insect belonging to the order Odonata, which also includes dragonflies. They are similar in appearance but can be distinguished by their smaller size and narrower hind wings that are held parallel to the body, whereas dragonflies hold their wings perpendicular to the body. Damselflies are often found near water and have long, slender bodies with delicate wings. They are known for their graceful flight and are predators that feed on other small insects. Overall, damselflies are a fascinating and beautiful part of the natural world.